Alright, we're in Clayton this morning. Block sewer. Turn the jetter up. Alright. Blocked overflow. That's the kitchen over there. Spinner this morning. Get around that trap. I think this might have been blocked for a while. Alright, let's turn her on, surfing on. Hopefully we don't get too messy. Oh, there we go, got it straight away. Alright. So maybe it was just grease just at the bottom of this trap. Oh, she's tasty. Alright, let's keep blasting. Let's get around the bottom of the trap. Whee! It'd be nice to get around there without getting sprayed for once. Well, I have to get sprayed every morning. Come on, Spinner, get around. There we go. Oh, one last spray in the face and then we're through. It feels a bit blocked up, so definitely grease, I'd say. You can feel it on the nozzle, so we'll just let the jetter do its thing. You can feel the jetter in some grease there. So just let the jetter work its way through. There we go, pushing through now. Does feel really built up in there. Alright, I reckon I've pushed through most of that grease now. Just wonder if I'll be able to get the camera through. Alright, let's set up the camera, see if we can get her in. Down we go. Let's turn the jet off for a second. Right, let that water run away. Right, while that water's running away, I'll check the rest of the drain. Pretty confident it was just a grease blockage. Junction there. Down the mains. We weren't blocked up here, but I always like to just double check. Right, bend. I'm pretty confident the rest of that drain's going to be fine. We're in a unit complex, so it's actually quite a long way back to the boundary trap. We're at the front unit, so I won't push through the whole thing because there wasn't an issue further down. I'm already 12 metres away. Let's see what we can see around the trap. Tipping there's still going to be some grease in there. So pull back. Hope I got my angles right on the camera. I know the audio's been shit on these videos. I'm going to get a new camera soon. Alright, there's our nozzle. Looking pretty clean. Yeah, so I think we've cleaned it all out. Beautiful. See all the grease on the line? Little bit of grease in there, we'll come back for that. It's looking pretty good. About to come back into the trap. Beautiful. Alright, nice easy one. Alright, so for the love of the sport, I'm just going to give this a bit more of a clean and then we're happy. And you know what? Let's have a look back up towards the kitchen sink. Doesn't hurt to double check. Down we go. Oh, look at that fat berg. Alright, so we'll clean that out. Look at all that. Gross. Okay. See that? Look at all that grease. Ugh. Tasty. It's the worst smell, the grease as well. Alright, let's get up that way. Alright, got a feeling this will get a bit messy, so get the camera out the way. I'm going to get this from a distance. quick look-see. Well, my hands are gross now, but whatever. Stuff on the lens, but it looks pretty good to me. I'll get him to open up that tap and just make sure it's all running well. Excuse me, mate. Yeah, do you mind just turning the kitchen sink on? Just hot water? Yeah, just leave it on for a bit. Thank you. Just let him run that for a bit, make sure she's running smoothly. Which she is. I can use that water to clean the camera off a bit. Happy days. Turn the camera off. Alright, now I'm just going to run the jetter out. With all that grease. Gross. I'll have to give that a clean, I reckon. Jack! All good, brother.
Through there all the time and not go up.
Correct.
It's just with this level of blockage. That's when it.
If it comes up, there's a blockage.
Oh, that's the sign.
Yeah. And so, because it's a kitchen,
yeah,
there's all this grease, which happens
yeah,
over
yeah,
time.
I know.
So yeah, I've managed to all clear now.
You should be a bit more careful with what goes through there.
Yeah, so
you have this stoppers.
if you're washing something that's really fatty or greasy, just run the hot water for like another minute after you're done.
Yeah.
It just helps wash it through.
All right.
But it happens over time anyway, so it's pretty normal.
Yeah.
But yeah, just wash it through, and then that's fine. Alright, so I'll just give it one last clean, and then I'll pack up, I'll be out of your hair.
Should I make you make sure you get the money from their cost?
Oh, it's all good. We'll sort it out at the end. Yeah. Thank you, mate.
Thank you.
Too easy, brother. Oh no, I just.
Water tap before.
Oh yeah.
I was thinking you did something.
It was nice and easy, yeah. Nah, no problems. Thank you, mate. Yeah, I'll send you the link. Yeah. Yeah, I will do. Thank you, mate. But now I know we're all good, but I just want to wash everything through. Run the tank out. And happy days. Sometimes I'm not sure if a client wants to be on camera, so I sort of put you down for a second. I don't know if you could hear our conversation. Alright, so all I'm doing now is just running the tank out on the jetter. Jetter's just shut off, that's good. Alright. Nice easy job, just some grease this morning, surfing out.